Okay, so in this chapter of the course, we're going to start working with the document object model, also referred to as the DOM. So if you go to MDM, developer.mozilla.org, you can get more information about the document object model, how it interacts with JavaScript, how you can access it, interfaces, examples, etc. But for this tutorial, I just want to very briefly explain it in my own words. So what is the document object model? And that is the whole point of this chapter of the course. Well, first I want to introduce it as the DOM. So the DOM, when we say DOM, D-O-M, we are referring to the document object model. What it is the idea that every web page is almost like a tree-like structure, whereby you have the document, inside of it you'll have the head and the body, inside of that you'll have different elements. And what you can do is you can use the document object model to traverse this tree-like structure and essentially change content on a web page. So the whole point of the document object model is that you can manipulate the structure of a web page, style, and contents. Obviously, when you know basic HTML and CSS, you can make content static on a page. But once you understand the document object model, you can respond to user events, a user clicking on a button, to create content, delete content, change style, colors, etc. So we're going to be working with the document object model over the next few tutorials to create elements, remove elements, change text, styling, etc. So we have all that to look forward to in this chapter of the course.